Hello, welcome back to my Astrology Basics Crash Course. This is episode 2. Last time we went over elements. This time we're going over modalities. In the future, I want to go over the 12 houses, the 12 zodiacs, the 36 decans, degree theory, aspects, personal planets, generational planets, opposite or sister signs, and much more. Like I said, today we're going over modalities. The 12 zodiac signs are broken up into different categories, one of them being modalities. There are 4 zodiacs per modality, and they're called cardinal, fixed, and mutable. I created this graphic just to give you an idea. The modalities are broken up into different seasons. The cardinal signs always start the seasons, the fixed signs always go in the middle, and the mutable signs always end the seasons. So if you want to screenshot this and look back to it later, you can do so. First up, we're going to be talking about cardinal signs. They start the season, they're creative, they're action-oriented, they take initiative, they're pioneers, they're leaders, they have big dreams and plans, but they can lack follow-through. They include Aries, Cancer, Libra, and Capricorn. When they need help, they go to the fixed signs to follow through on things. But this is just a picture. The ones in purple are the cardinal signs, and you can see Aries opposes Libra and Capricorn opposes Cancer. That's because they are sister or opposite signs. We'll go into more about that in a later video. Next up, we're going into fixed signs. They're in the middle of the season, they're consistent, they're unchanging, they're stable, committed, concentrated, and they complete projects. Some will say they're even stubborn. Cardinal signs are the ones coming up with the big ideas. Fixed signs are the ones who are following through. They may have a hard time adapting and changing, but sometimes that's a good thing. It's good to be consistent. And this is just a visual. Taurus opposes Scorpio, Aquarius opposes Leo, they're sister or opposite signs. When you need to finish a project, you go to a fixed sign, but when you need someone who can adapt, you go to a mutable sign. Mutable signs end the season. They are fluid, flexible, versatile, adaptable, but they may lose focus. Like, if you have ADHD, you get it. You get the mutable vibes. It includes Gemini, Virgo, Sagittarius, and Pisces. Here is the visual. Pisces opposes Virgo, Gemini opposes Sagittarius, sister or opposite signs. And that is the end of the video. So thank you so much for watching. Next time we're going to go over the 12 zodiacs. So come back and see me later.